These are my two pawpaw trees. So, this one here is a KSU Atwood that was planted 5 years ago. We've got all kinds of fruit on it. You can see the pawpaws. See how big they are compared to my hand. There's all kinds of them here. Just loaded. And, see my hand there so you can get an idea how big they are, but they're growing in bunches like that. So that's the KSU Atwood, and there's just all kinds of them bunches like that. And then this one here is a Shenandoah, and this is planted 4 years ago, and it's got some, they tend to go single more than in bunches like that. So I think this one right here is the biggest one. It's August, the 23rd. So this is they're not quite done growing yet, and they got another month easily before I should expect any ripe fruit. So they'll get bigger. Anyway, that's that. And then this here cage I've got here, these are all pawpaw plants for next year to put out. So there's 324 of them in here. You can see them in there. But I got shade cloth over them so that it's 50% shade cloth, and they're in a cage that protects them from critters. So we won't have any critters getting in there. And then the shade cloth, pawpaws really benefit from it for the first year. And then we bring them inside this winter, and then they get planted next spring. And seeds, if you're collecting the seeds, you take them directly from the fruit, and you have to put them into damp sphagnum moss in your refrigerator for the winter. It's called cold stratification. It won't do it if you don't. And if you don't, if you let the seeds dry out, you kill them, okay? You can't let them dry out for one day. You take them right from the fruit. When you eat it, you clean them, and you put it right in the damp sphagnum moss into your refrigerator, okay? Do not do it any other way. Do not veer from that simple plan, or you'll regret it. I'm just saying that it's how it is. So anyway, them's the pawpaw trees, and that's gonna have some beautiful pawpaws in a month.